amigos.
Hi.
This is me and her.
Knows who we are.
Me and her.
We're taking a walk. We've been walking for about an hour now.
Yeah.
Right?
And we've been taking lots of pictures. And we went up by a train thing. Yeah. We were on a train thing and a train came and we're like freaking out.
Yeah, like, I thought rocks were gonna... Actually, I recorded them.
Do you want to poke?
She's retarded.
I have many bugs.
Let's reenact that whole thing.
What?
When we say, that's your bark?
Is that your bark?
You know, it's so funny because you didn't go right out.
Oh my goodness gracious. There's the rock. Okay. We'll go over there. Because if I zoom in, then it like...
2 months ago? What? 2 months ago.
2 months ago, we were in the same spot, and we took a picture by this rock up
and
here.
there are orbs everywhere.
Yeah.
So scary. Oh my god.
And you could see right through us. There's a flag. Let's walk up.
Show the people where we're staying.
There's the rock. Let's examine it. There she goes running. And there's a rock. We took a picture of it.
We were like transparent. It was just...
Yeah. You could see the house right behind me, you know.
Huh? What house? I'm confused.
That one I showed it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a red car there now. Who's that red car? Is there a red car?
It's a truck.
Oh, that's flowers.
Ah!
Yeah, that's flowers. Oh, there's my aunt.
We're gonna go. Bye!
Bye.